is Bart Mari, and I'm the superintendent of Hydaburg City School District. Well, we've been on a teacher search for practically almost 2 years for almost the same positions. And until the beginning of the school year, we had 2 certified teachers hired. We had a counselor, we had our principal, and then a distance learning program teacher stationed in Anchorage. So we were down practically 4 or 5 teachers at the beginning of the school year. And I had almost every day looked through the substitute lists produced by the teacher placement, Alaska teacher placement, and set up interviews, but most of them would say, I'm already contracted. So I would spend days and nights, sometimes sending out emails, 50, 60 emails a day to potential applicants, only to find out that they were already taken. So the first week of school, we started out at the language arts, the other language teacher teaching social studies up in the high school, and the principal taking some classes in language arts. Then I reached out to Roxy, and I said, Roxy, what about, I talked to John Monahan first, and I said, John, what about E4L contracting some teachers through T3 Alliance to bring them in, rotating them in every 2 weeks? And he said, oh, I think that's a good idea, let's talk to Roxy. And we mentioned it to Roxy, and it took off from there.